Good coffee. Yeah, it's a kind of a cold, chilly, on the chilly side anyway. Windy, cloudy day out on the Playa, so we're going to use the opportunity and take a shower today. So it's shower day, and so we're gonna show you how we get all set up for the shower. I've got it down pretty good by now, and I got to boil 1 liter of water on the induction hob, and that takes about 4 minutes, and by the time it's boiling, I got the shower all set up and ready to go. We got to store stuff in our shower unit, so yeah, I got to open that up and get everything out of that, and then we're still using our geyser unit. Haven't had any issues since that first time, and the video I did on that fix has worked, and I've just left it there, and it's been a good unit. So, and we've gotten used to using it. So, yeah, we just boil a liter of water on the induction stove. It's quicker than letting the geyser unit heat it up. So, the dog is all excited, and then when she gets in the shower, he starts crying. He thinks I'm doing something to Anna, so it's kind of chaos. But we get it done, and yeah, it's worked. So we'll show you how we get set up. All right. Water boiling. Alright, water's boiling. Goes outside to cut the water from the shower. There's the shower curtain. One-wheel charger. Vacuum cleaner. Geyser unit, and ammo cans, tarp, tripod, new tripod. Shower pad. And we have 3 water jugs. 2 are empty. And the third. We'll set those outside. And there's a shower unit, the geyser unit. Keep the hose in there. And I put a liter of water in. On the bottom, cold water. Then we put the boiling water on top of that, and then top it off with another liter of cold water, and that comes out perfect temperature every time. That's all set up. The water's not boiling quite just yet, so we're pretty much ready to go. I gotta put the tub under the hose outside. And we have a little mat in here to stand on. It's a little dish drying mat is actually what it is, but it fits perfectly in there. You're not standing on the aluminum. Yeah, I turned the fan on, blowing down, so it kind of keeps the shower curtain kind of puffed out and away from you, as long as it's not too cold outside. Yeah, the water's boiling. Carefully pour that in there. I'm going to top it off with this. Usually don't take the full third liter, but I top it off as full as I can get it. Put the lid on and we are ready to go. I just got to get the Anna and the dog in here and give them a shower. shower's all done, all cleaned up, dried up, and it's ready to put everything back in there.
You finished?
All finished, yeah. There's the water jugs back in place. There's actually room for four of these in there if you wanted to fit four in there. How was the shower? How was the shower today?
Oh, excellent, man. I did real good.
Feel better?
Oh, yeah.